In front of me is TECLAST T60 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to click on Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock. Following that, you need to tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password, and after picking the best one, create it. Then hit Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by choosing one of the available options to adjust lock screen notifications and hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!